enggak boleh. Berarti
welcome to the ocean. Yes.
Hoy, dito ka lang pala. Ba't hindi ka pumunta kanina pagkain?
Ingon ka, lisod ang running. Chia.
What's that noise? Love, oh, look at the bird. Padala siya sa Sierra, papá. Uy.
That's the monkey.
Okay, that's a monkey.
Smile, monkeys. Ah, tawala tayong monkeys di ay. Di kasay di ay.
Bye, monkey.
Hi, monkeys.
Bye, giraffe. Namitin siya, no?
Daddy. Giraffe. How about Papalo? Call Papalo. Sige na. Call Tito Ton. Tito Ton, where's Tito Ton? Where's Tito Ton? Where's Tito Jing? That's Tito Jim. That's Tito Jim.
May excited? See the lion.
Okay, excuse me, baby. Excuse me. Right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to White Lion Safari. My name is Andre. I'll be your guide to this trip. Right, for your safety and comfort, please do not stand up while the tram is moving and then grab a secure hold to your elbows, please. No sticking out of your ears. Sorry, everyone. Opening his wide leg. Okay, people at the back, you can stand.
Okay, stand.
How many kilograms is the lion?
Sir, they are 180 kilograms. That's because white lions are nocturnals. That means they're only active at night and they can rest, eat, sleep, play around like that for about 16 to 20 hours.
Wow.
That's because di kayo sila kakita sa bundok. They have poor vision, but in the nighttime, they are 6 times better vision than humans. So sa gingo ni Sir, you might be wondering why they're called white lions when they're not entirely white. That's because they're not albinos. Albinos are the purely white, but they're neocystic, which means they have loss in dark pigmentation on their skin. So if makita ninyo later on ang mga African lions, that you can compare them and they're much worse. So we provide them with beef and chicken here. They can eat up to 8 kilos per lion per day.
Nagpa-picture
Take
sa
a
background.
picture, everyone. Okay, now my point 5. Picture at the beautiful.
Natural ah. Uy, tanawan ni
Peace
Faye.
and love night, everyone. Bye-bye.
Hindi pagalit na lion.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Cindy. Bye, Kalalayan.
Okay, let me remind everyone, this is Max, Jack, and Bugoy's territory. Right, that ends our White Lion Safari adventure. For your next stop, Mom, sir, is the camels and birds of the world. You guys are going to safari.
Ayun na lang. Pabunat tagasog liog. What's that, Gia? No, we're not allowed to go to the flamingos, love. Just say hi to the flamingo. Huh? Say goodbye to the flamingo. It's not a flamingo. Is that a flamingo, love? What is that?
Hindi, isa ka bird din ako. Isa ka bird.
Pretty. Hi, smile.
likod, binasa mo likod, sa bag.
Ma'am.
Sige na na, ano? Si ate. Agad, that's my hand already.
Agad.
Like sunflower seed.
Ang koko ba?
Agad. Alam ko, ano siya? Pero yung sunflower.
Di ba, mga nahingo ko. Iya.
Maitihan jud ko no.
Ay, dito lang, ma'am. Dito yung side naman.
Papa. Gia.
Yan, kinanay lang yung bats. Sige ba?
Hindi na daw kaita, lion.
Si Papa. Peekaboo. There, love. To the right. To the right. There. What is that? Deer. Bye-bye, dear. It's so big. Snake is so big.
Dapat yung tiger.
You see it?
Ay, tututun. Oh, python ito.
You see it?
Busog na. Wala yung one na akong nalbay na. Kaya hindi ako.
Ha?
Alin mo diri? Come on.
What's the color of the tiger?
Introducing our host for today, Miss Lisa.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon, everyone. It is I have here a group of Sunpreneurs, Bucky's friends. So Sunpreneurs are playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are native to southern part of America, like Brazil and Venezuela. So if you want to meet our Sunpreneurs, we have there at Birds of the World. So if you haven't been there, we guarantee you try our bird feeding. Okay, so I think they love the seeds so much. They're taking their time. Oh my god, I love the seeds so much. Okay, thank you, sir, and thank you, Sunpreneurs.
Okay, so we have the zebra. So zebra stripes are unique like fingerprints with no two animals have the same pattern. And also, zebras are herbivores, so they mainly eat plants. If they are not eating or traveling, they take that opportunity to
Pizza? A crocodile. What's the song about crocodile? Don't forget to scream.
Scream na.
Tinola. Tinolang chicken.
Pinaupo.
Bisaya man.
Kalderita. Halang.
What's that? Crocodile. Ah, there's a crocodile. Pabunitig yun ha. Lala, nagtapos na sila pa o. Kabalog yun o. Love, look, love, they will feed the crocodile, love. Oh, look. Look, love. Lili, pwede, love. Look, oh, they're feeding the crocodile. Layo ra, oy. Iyo to baga pa. Ibalik sa iyang question. Dito ra sa may resto guro ang feeding. At hindi pwede. Call the giraffe, love. Call the giraffe. Hi, giraffe. It's moving, love. Oh, it's moving. Ay siya, pagdali mo, kasi magpa-picture. Napag yung isa. Look at the giraffe, it's looking. Ayaw, giraffe. Sorry. Si ayaw, good. Hindi ka po, Tabi. Tabi, smile, Tabi.